Hi, my name is Matt Scherer. A lot of you may know me as the LinkedIn Lighthouse Keeper. And today I want to talk about one of the most important skills with building a virtual network on LinkedIn. And that's the ability to take a connection and to create a follow-up strategy with him or her after they said yes, they want to be part of your LinkedIn network. One of the best resources out there for scheduling time or for scheduling the meeting, which is something that we're going to show in just a second, is to take advantage of an app that is available for free. There is a more premium version for $10 or $15 depending on your needs, but we're just going to start out with the free version of Calendly. This is calendly.com. You can find it online. You can follow the instructions and you can create a link where people can connect with you and you can have a virtual meeting. So in this example, I'm going to show you how I found Judge Carlos Moore. He agreed to a connection with me, and so I'm going to follow up with a short message asking him if we might be able to talk in the near future. So you can either hit that message link in the LinkedIn connection inbox, or you can go here. I like to do this here because that gives me a chance to look at the person's whole profile so I can tie something back to the purpose of why I connected with him in the beginning. You'll see that I have tied back to something that I read about him and put a purpose behind our next possible meeting. And lastly, and I think this is the part where I think Calendly will help you, anybody that wants to build a professional network, it's the here's how you can schedule a time with me. So you'll see that there is my scheduling time, www.calendly.com / my name, Matt Scherer, and then / intro. And of course, with all things in LinkedIn and social media, you need a little patience. But I can tell you that patience is always rewarded, especially if you write a purposeful note. So I hope you've learned a little bit about how to build an effective connection strategy. It's one thing to be connected, but it's the follow-up that's going to get you those contacts and those connections that will expand your network. And that's what I want you to do, is to expand those opportunities by using a well-placed connection note and then a follow-up note. Once again, my name is Matt Scherer. I hope that you will connect with me. Here's my LinkedIn address, and I look forward to hearing from you. And if we're not a connection, please tell me a little bit about yourself. And thank you for watching.